Alright. Oh, frick. We're gonna line this thing. Look at him, he's so cool. So yeah, we're gonna line this thing in his head. Ugh. We're gonna line this too, so. This is the little pen I have. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna make a lot more mistakes because I'm just on camera this time, but let's try. Make this thicker. Oh god. Oh god. That looks okay. Shit, that looks fine actually, okay. Continuing. I'm gonna take this off actually. We're here. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, it's all lined up. Looks kind of bad, but alright, we're also gonna line up vehicle form. I never watched the show. I don't know what them. I don't even think I have to do it in the blue. Should probably take these off. Alright, yeah, I did. No fuck. Yeah, I'm leaving that on. That is 100% broken. You kidding me? At least I got this one off. God damn, bro. This took like so long. Let me do something real quick. Look at that. They're the same. Anyways, I got this finished. Oh crap, it looks kind of bad. I don't care. I did the best I can. That's just all that matters, I guess. Look at his head. Damn, the zoom in is pretty good on this phone though. Yeah, I could not get the sticker on. I freaking lost the sticker. Just put him epic pose. I wish these two flaps move separately so it's just the same. Cause what if he's running? His leg. Yeah. There you go. Bam. Panel lining sucks. Don't do it. Alright, thanks.